Hey guys, and welcome back to another Unreal Engine 4 and 5 tutorial. So in today's video, it's going to be a nice quick one on how we can better optimize our games inside of Unreal Engine. So I've done a few videos like this before, and feel free to check those out as well if you are trying to optimize your game. And today, what we're going to be going over is Lightmap Densities. So I'm just in this scene here that I got from the marketplace, and full disclosure, I have not changed anything. So we're going to have a look now at what the Lightmap Densities look like. So if we go up to Lit up at the top left here, and then go to Optimisation View Modes, we can then hit Lightmap Density, or as you can see, Alt-0 is the shortcut. So here we have the Lightmap Densities like so. Now there are three main colours you're looking for. You've got blue over here, you've got green here, and you've got red down here. So blue is less than ideal, green is ideal, red is more than ideal. Which kind of sounds backwards because less than ideal obviously sounds bad, but it is the lower the better. So now that we can see the Lightmap densities, how do we go about changing and fixing these? What we can do is let's select one of the objects that we have here. So you can see this is a full object. I'm going to search in here for Lightmap. And then we have under lighting, overridden Lightmap res. We're going to tick that box there. And then we can change this. So it was 32. So if I change this to 16, you can see the size of the squares there have changed. And now the colors have as well. So this is more of a greeny blue. And these are now orange. So we can change it even further. So let's say 8. And now it's blue and green. If we were to go to 12, just to go up a little bit, we can see again the differences it's making. So we've gone from this to this. And again, we can do it for this picture too. So let's tick it. It was 128, so just putting it at 64 might be a lot better now. And there it is. It's as simple as that. And you just want to go around really and do it for everything. So if you have meshes that are the same, you can select all of those and do them at the same time, just to help on time. So if I set that to 32, that's not perfect, so we need to do that even lower. We'll go to 16, and then even still inside of there, there's some red. Now I'm obviously halving it every time. I'm doing it basically 8 bits. I'm doing 8, 16, 32. You don't need to do that. You can put this as any number you like. I just always like doing it like that anyway, until I need to go to more detail. For example, here I might go down to 10 and see what that looks like. And we're getting better each time. So this will help with optimization, and this can also fix a bug you might have. So sometimes your engine might crash when you're trying to build the lighting, and it might not say why. It might be because you have some Lightmap densities which are very bad in your game. So for example, all of these are red. If you have a lot of red, it might really mess up your engine when you're trying to build the lighting, and it might crash. So here, let's modify all of these to 32. They're still red, so let's go even lower to 16. And you can see we fixed that like so. And so that is pretty much it. So you can just go through your whole scene, finding everything that needs changing and then changing them. Again, you want to aim for green, but blue is obviously the best. But obviously the lower the number, the less quality is going to be in there, but the better it will run. So basically just eliminate all red that you see. So I think that'll be it for this video, as we've done everything we want to do. I'm pretty much just going over how to see the Lightmap densities and then how to modify and fix these to improve the performance in your game, and also possibly fix a bug you may have on crashing when you're building the lighting. So thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you found it helpful. And if you did, please do make sure to like and subscribe down below. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.